everybody, Alex Brooks here. I'm going to show you how to update your LinkedIn profile banner so it's personal, professional, and clean. All right, guys, so what we're doing now is we're just going to take a look at the LinkedIn profile banner. I'm going to show you how to kind of clean this up and make your profile look really nice, right? So in the previous videos, what we did was we updated our S3 portfolio website, and now we're going to kind of work on LinkedIn because LinkedIn is super important if you're going to land that job. Make sure it looks professional, right? I'm just going to show you how to clean this up, and so hopefully this will be just a quick video for you. So what we're going to do here is yours probably going to be blank, but we're going to work on just doing the banner for the desktop, and then we're going to do the banner for the mobile. So what we want to do first is open up Canva. I like using Canva. You can use whatever you want, but Canva is probably going to be your best friend. So the LinkedIn banners are 1584 by 396. So open up a new tab here, 1584 by 396. Okay. And so what you're going to do here is you're going to add just a black background. That's going to give that nice shadow look. So you notice here there's kind of like a dark film over this image. And then what you can do is there's a whole bunch of designs here. You can use just a pre-built template, but I like to be a little bit more custom. So let's just take this picture for example, and what we're going to do is we'll just kind of expand this so it is about the same size like this. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add we're going to reduce some transparency. So that is why we have that black background, because if we just take this black background and just do it to white like this, you notice that it's kind of super white, and so that's why you need that black background. So that black background is going to give it a nice like kind of smoky color like that. And then what you can do is just add some text. So I just like to add a heading here. So we'll just do like John Smith in all capitals like that. Okay. And we'll go up like this. Okay. We'll change this text to white. And then also what I like to do is you definitely, and this might be just a little bit too white. You might want to go off white on it. Maybe something like that. It's a little bit dark. We'll just go to white for now. You guys get the point. So John Smith like that. And you want to change your font. So let's do something a little bit professional, right? Something like, I don't know, we'll just choose any one of these. Let's just do something like that. Now, you want to do your name first, get the text how you want it, the color you want it, and then basically copy it and paste this, because you're going to use the same font, right? So John Smith like this, and then you're going to Command C and then Command V. That way you're kind of using the same font style. And then what you can do is you can reduce this by half. So let's just say 40 on that. And then you're going to do, I don't know, engineer. This is all capital case, so I actually don't really like that. So what we'll do is we're just gonna change this to, let's just do, let's see if this is gonna work. Engineer, it's also capital case, or I might just be being dumb here. Perfect, let's just do that, that's fine. So engineer, we'll just copy and paste that, and we'll just do student, and we'll just do speaker like this. Okay, and we're gonna kind of line it up. And what's awesome about Canva is it will show you where the lines are to line everything up, right? So then we'll just select all of these at the same time like that, and then I'll just want to move them down a little bit like that. Okay, and then you can just add some stuff here if you want, but you kind of get the idea. The main thing that I want to show you is, even though your you're using Canva and everything looks nice here, we need to make sure that it looks nice on our profile, right? So just for this purpose, we're going to do this because I am actually going to upload this to my portfolio, and then I'll probably end up changing it back, but I just want to show you what this looks like, right? So this will download. We'll just go demo banner like this. Okay, show in Finder. I like to open up the Finder window just to have it, and then I'll go back here. So I'll do this and change the photo, upload the photo, and let's go back to LinkedIn and demo banner like that. And so see, now it's perfectly fit. And you're going to press apply. And the thing about this is this looks fine right on the desktop, but what I want you to do is I want you to go inspect, and I want you to click this little button here. There's a little kind of responsive button, and I want you to go and I want you to choose like an iPhone resolution. So if you do an iPhone resolution, you can see that actually one of our titles is actually cut off. So that's actually kind of a problem on my current site as well. So how do we fix this? Well, there's really one of two ways. You can look at this and say, okay, well, if I put the text underneath the A, it should be fine. So we can do that, or you just remove the text completely. So let's just go over here and let's just say I want to kind of just clean up the spacing a little bit. I want to keep student kind of right where it's at, like this. And maybe what I want to do is I just want to maybe add some some pipes in here, so that way it's kind of separated, something like that. Okay, and you kind of get the point. So even that might be just a little bit too close, right? So, and you might just have to even reduce the font size just a little bit more. Let's go 35 on all of those, like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, and then let's get the spacing correct. Okay, and make sure students in the middle, and then you can kind of adjust whatever you think looks best, like that. Okay, so that looks a little bit better. Now let's go ahead and download this, and I will delete this old one. Oops, cancel, delete, and then demo banner. Perfect. Then again, make sure you show it in the Finder. It's easy to drag and drop it, right? Let's go back, get out of the inspect element, change this here, and change the photo, upload photo, and then demo banner. I know I spelled it wrong, and then apply. So now you can see it looks nice still on here, and then if we go into the responsive mode, we can also see that you can actually see the words now. So just make sure that you are going into this mode, because most people are just scrolling through LinkedIn on their mobile phone. You want your profile to look good not only on desktop but the mobile version as well. So make sure that you're inspecting your banner and making sure that it looks professional, right? So the banner is definitely important, just as important as your profile picture. It also says something about your creativity, that you're taking the time to actually choose something that's personal to you. There are people that, I used to be that guy that took, just any old picture from the internet and just put it on there because it looks nice, maybe like a coding or developing image, but this is more personal, right? So I would definitely recommend you guys do something that's personal to you, that is that says that you're actually taking the time and the care to show your LinkedIn profile. And so I'm gonna put mine back. I do actually have to change mine, obviously, because you can see that this is an issue here, right? So I'm gonna work on that, but basically you guys get the idea. If you want my help or you have any other questions about how to do this yourself, let me know, and just shoot me a message and I will help you create your banner. Have a good day.